Imagine a world covered in thick ice where giant creatures roam. This was Earth during the Ice Age, a time of massive glaciers and extreme cold. The Ice Age wasn't just one event, but many periods of freezing and thawing over millions of years. The most recent one ended about 11,000 years ago. These icy times shaped our planet, carving out valleys and moving mountains. They influenced where animals and plants lived and even how humans evolved. But the Ice Age is also a time of mystery. Scientists are still piecing together what happened and why. There are many puzzles, like why some animals vanished and how the ice sheets grew and shrank so dramatically. The Ice Age is a reminder that Earth's climate is always changing. By studying what happened then, we can better understand our planet's past and prepare for its future. The mysteries of the Ice Age are like clues left behind, waiting to be solved. They offer a glimpse into a time very different from our own, a time that still holds many secrets. One of the biggest mysteries of the Ice Age is the disappearance of many large animals, or megafauna. Woolly mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and giant sloths roamed the Earth for thousands of years, then suddenly vanished. Their disappearance happened around the same time as the last glacial period ended and the climate warmed. Scientists have debated for years about what caused this mass extinction. Some believe it was the changing climate that made life difficult for these large animals. As temperatures rose, their food sources may have dwindled and their habitats may have shrunk. Others point to the arrival of humans who hunted these animals for food and resources. It's likely that both climate change and human activity played a role in the megafauna extinction. But the exact combination of factors and the speed at which these animals disappeared remains a mystery. Understanding this event could help us protect endangered species today and understand how ecosystems respond to rapid environmental changes. Another puzzle that baffles scientists is how quickly the massive ice sheets retreated at the end of the last glacial period. These ice sheets, some as thick as 2 miles, covered vast areas of North America and Eurasia. Their melting caused sea levels to rise dramatically, reshaping coastlines and flooding land bridges. While it's clear that a warming climate caused the ice to melt, the speed at which it happened is surprising. Scientists are trying to understand the mechanisms behind this rapid melting, studying ancient ice cores and sediments for clues. One theory suggests that feedback loops, where melting ice triggers further warming and melting, may have accelerated the process. Understanding the factors that control ice sheet growth and retreat is crucial for predicting future sea level rise. As the planet warms due to human activity, the ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica are shrinking. By deciphering the secrets of the past, we can better prepare for the impacts of future climate change. Section 4. Ancient Climate Change, a Warning for the Future. The Ice Age serves as a stark reminder that Earth's climate is not static. It has undergone dramatic shifts in the past, driven by natural forces like changes in Earth's orbit and volcanic eruptions. Studying these past climate changes helps us understand the forces that shape our planet and how they might influence our future. The rapid warming that ended the last glacial period, for example, shows how sensitive the climate system can be to even small changes. It highlights the interconnectedness of Earth's systems, where changes in one area, like ice cover, can trigger cascading effects across the globe. By understanding the triggers and consequences of past climate change, we can better predict and mitigate the impacts of human-caused warming. The Ice Age, with its dramatic swings in temperature and sea level, offers a valuable analogue for understanding the potential consequences of our actions today. Section 5. Unlocking the secrets of the ice. Scientists use a variety of tools and techniques to piece together the story of the Ice Age. They drill deep into glaciers and ice sheets, extracting long cylinders of ice called ice cores. These cores, like time capsules, trap ancient air bubbles and particles that reveal past climate conditions. By analyzing the chemical composition of the ice and the trapped air, scientists can reconstruct past temperatures, greenhouse gas concentrations, and even volcanic eruptions. They also study fossilized pollen grains and tree rings, which provide clues about past vegetation and climate. Sediment cores extracted from lake beds and ocean floors offer another window into the past. These cores contain layers of sediment that accumulate over time, preserving fossils, pollen, and other clues about past environments. By combining these different sources of information, scientists are gradually piecing together a more complete picture of the Ice Age. Section 6, the future of the past. Despite all that we've learned, the Ice Age still holds many mysteries. New discoveries are constantly challenging our understanding and raising new questions. As technology advances, we gain new tools and techniques to probe the past, unlocking secrets hidden in ice, sediments, and fossils. The study of the Ice Age is not just about understanding the past, it's about informing the future. By deciphering the causes and consequences of past climate change, we can better predict and adapt to the changes happening today. The lessons learned from the Ice Age can guide our efforts to protect biodiversity, manage water resources, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. The quest to understand the Ice Age is a global endeavor, involving scientists from different disciplines and countries. By sharing data, collaborating on research projects, and communicating their findings to the public, these scientists are helping to unravel one of the most fascinating and important chapters in Earth's history. Section 7. The never-ending story of the Ice Age. The story of the Ice Age is a reminder that Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing planet. It's a story of extreme climate shifts, massive ice sheets, and the rise and fall of incredible creatures. But it's also a story that's still being written. As scientists continue to explore the mysteries of the Ice Age, they are not only uncovering the secrets of the past, but also shaping our understanding of the present and the future. The Ice Age, once a distant and enigmatic